Hey, how you doing, guys? Just kind of wanted to do a quick video announcing the final release out of beta of DaVinci Resolve 15. It went through 8 beta cycles for public beta, and one of the biggest things I've noticed, I think, of course it did have some more changes from beta to final release, is the export options. And looking up here at the very top for Final Cut Pro 7, you can actually, they have one now for Final Cut Pro X as far as XML, so you can round trip that into the newest version of Final Cut Pro 10. Now there's one missing, and I'm guessing this is on the paid option. Usually after audio only, they have a export out for Netflix, believe it or not, and I think that's only on the paid version. I'm using the free version. And also, along with some newer codexes, encoders, and one which I'm going to tell you now, of course, is I reported on before. It's the GoPro Cineform, which has went open source, and now a lot of video editors are adopting it. So I guess the final release of DaVinci Resolve 15 has included that. Now I think the H.265 was already in there, and let me see, that's all I see for right now. So, and let me bum around here so if I can notice anything else. And I think the other ones were in here, but a lot of new codexes and exports out. So great to see that they finally made the final release of DaVinci Resolve 15, so you can download it now and enjoy, and thanks for watching.